Before you fall in love with your dream home, here are 3 things you can do to prepare for your mortgage. Number 1, go to Experian.com and find out what your credit score is. Number 2, compile your W-2s, and if you don't have them, go to SSA.gov. And number 3, set a timeline for when you want it all to happen. Banks just want a clear view of your financial situation, so preparing for your mortgage will help your loan officer get your application processed quicker and help you build a stronger case when you do apply.